Here I am, and welcome back. My name's Nathan, and if you're into urban sketching, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of this product that has been sent to me by Fuumuui. Everything in this packet has been sent to me by Fuumuui for review, but all of the opinions expressed will be my own. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump into it. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. Right, it's upside down. First of all, Fuumuui did contact me on Instagram and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing one of their products, and obviously I said yes. I had been looking at Fuumuui for a while now anyway, so I'm really pleased that they contacted me and offered me this for review. I also asked if I could buy a couple of little clip-on water pots, which I had been talking about in previous videos, saying that I really wanted to buy some. So they very kindly sent me 2 of these as well. So I am super happy with those. They screw off, you put your little water in there, and you clip it on to your sketchbook. But the main event to review, this is the Travel Foldable Watercolour Palette. Oh, what do I pull out first? Nice little, don't know if it's brass, but it looks brass. 2 of those, one big, one small. I think the bigger one is for cleaning your brush in, and the smaller one is for picking up water. Or I suppose you could also use them separately. You could use one for darker colors, one for lighter colors, one for blues and greens, one for reds and oranges to stop your palette getting muddy. I suppose that could also work. But I think the idea is that you clean in one and pick up from the other. And here we have a couple of straps and a very big clip. It's gold, so it matches. Let's look at these straps. It's got a little attacher thing there. Can I put that around my wrist? Oh, it's not very stretchy. Oh, you have to hold it with your hand. I'd quite like that. Oh, that's not so comfortable. Hi. Get that off. I presume that will attach to this later. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Oh, hang on, what's that? Oh, what's that for? We'll come back and look at that in a minute. How do we get into here? Oh, it's taped shut. Oh, it's quite heavy. That's quite substantial. I'm going to come back to it in a minute. And this looks like it's just a carry pouch. Okay, right, let's look at the main event. This, feels very solid. It's real wood, it's not just, I don't know, like vinyl or anything like that. Let's open it up. Let's see, what does it say on here? Portable 24 well watercolor palette set. 1, tall water cup. 2, travel brush. Oh, that's in there. Mixing area. Okay, half a grid. Oh, why is that called half a grid? Gosh, I've never had that many colors in a palette in my life. Brush storage, yes. Small water cup. Tray, yes, got that. Drawing clip. PU, I don't know what PU stands for, but storage bag for this. A, where's A? Oh, that's this, okay. Rubber magnet, 5 of those. An Allen wrench, 2 times gymnastic rings, yes, but what are they for? Oh, and then that's the accessory kit too. A carry strap. Oh, that's a crossbody strap. I didn't open that. Oh, so I can add my rings onto that. Okay, good. There's Titan. Oh, okay. They've got magnets on the bottom. All right, cool. Okay, so that flips into there. This flips into here. Oh, those magnets are strong. Like, that's not going to just flick open in your bag. These look very robust, don't they? Oh, that's for the gymnastics. Should we do that? Let's do it. I didn't know these were called gymnastic loops. Okay, let's just get those out. Oh, it looks like there's an extra little screw thing. Okay, so I presume this goes into there. Let's keep it horizontal and hope the other side screws in tight at the same level. So this is much more compact than I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be quite a big chunky thing, but it's actually really quite cute and petite. Okay. I presume here you can have your carry strap on like this. Stop it. Or, oh gosh, this is bigger than I expected. Oh, that's got two little loops on the end as well. So let's just link one on there and one on there. And there you go. I probably won't be carrying it around like this, let's be honest. I mean, if you're carrying this around like this, where are you going to put these anyway? You're going to have to take another bag for those. So, don't really see the point in the carry strap. Anyway, you can adjust that though, it looks like. What's that adjusting? It's not adjusting anything. What's the point in that? Am I missing something? Oh no, that has adjusted it. But, hang on. What did I just do? Oh, if I pull one through, then I don't get it. Well, let's face it, I'm not going to be carrying it around like a handbag anyway, so let's just take that off. So yeah, not sure about you. This maybe, let's put that one on. That's maybe a little bit more likely that I will use that. Okay, anyway, that's not the main thing. Are these ceramic? I think they might be plastic. Does it have... I wondered if it might have a plastic cover on there, like one of those nice satisfying ones to peel off. I'll be interested to see if the water beads up on there. I think it probably will to start with, so I might need to scuff it up a little bit. So these are fiberglass, I think, and those slide out, and there's a magnet on each side, like so. That's quite nice. And then we have these little screws here that we can just screw that in place so it doesn't move. Okay, good. Solid, good. And put your waters in there. Ah, that hand strap's probably quite good. Let me put it on the other side. If I was sketching and holding this, oh, it's quite hard to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. Managed it though. I could, if I could just get my wrist in there. Maybe my hands are just a little bit big for this. Okay. Oh no, that's not comfortable. Get it off. Get it off. I can't hold it. Ah! All right, maybe not. Maybe if I just hold it with my fingers. I'll wrap my fingers in it like this. And then I could hold it like this. And then let's suppose this is my paper and use this clip to hold it in place. Okay, that's quite comfortable. I could do that, stood up. Good. Oh, these had magnets on the bottom, I think. Is that right? Oh yeah, good. Like a little metal strip in there. And these all have magnets on the bottom, so they just slot in and magnetize into place. That's good, very well thought out. I like that. Good, let's take a look at this brush. I like the Fuumuui brushes. I have one of their travel sets. What's that on the end? I think that is a pencil? Oh wow. Is that one of those pencils that never runs out? That's cool. Can you rub that out though? I have my rubber somewhere. Got it, got my rubber. Does that rub out? Yes, it does. So let's go back to this. It says one side is a 1 detail and this side says 10 rounds. So let's take a look at that. They screw out. So this is the 10. Wow, look at that. Number 10 round. Oh, it's a little bit stiff. It'll have some gum arabic on there. That looks nice. Looks like it's got a nice point on it. And this side, oh, tiny, tiny little detail. Cute. Okay, so you only need one brush with you, really. One thing, what do I do with this when I'm not? It doesn't go on the back. Oh, it could go in there, couldn't it? That's very good, very well thought out. So it's got the pencil, a detail brush, and a fatter round brush, and that just slots nicely in there. Let me get my current sketchbook and see if that fits on there. Okay, this is the sketchbook that I'm currently using, which is a Hahnemuller A6. Let's see. Is this big enough to fit? No, it's too shallow, but I could, there we go. Okay, so that could hold that on there. I might need another clip to clip this side down, but it's not going anywhere. It's nice and sturdy. What if I was to do it this way? I want to do a little landscape. Okay, oh, it's a tight squeeze. Can't really go for anything much thicker than that, but it does fit. Oh, look at that. Watch, look. Whoa! Do you want that happening when you're sketching? I don't often sketch at an angle anyway, but maybe I could. Maybe that'd be quite nice, actually. Well, that's quite good. It's quite comfortable, actually. Let's try and just... Okay. Now let's try and rub that off there. Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, that rubs off nicely like regular pencil. Okay, let me show you something else. Let me just take this all apart again. On the bottom here, there is a hole ready for putting it on an easel or on a stand. Now, the one that I would probably use if I was doing this is the one that I have this camera attached to. But I wondered if it might also work. This is my selfie stick that I use when I'm outdoor filming. But it has a little, you see that? It has a little notch on top there, which I think is just the right size for this. Look at that. Let's lift it up onto a more sturdier. Oof. But I got this from TikTok shop for like 12 euros. It's brilliant. So that's all on there, nice and sturdy. Ready to go. There we go. Look at that. How cute is that? Cool. So now, all I have to do is take this out for a field test and see how it actually works and how comfortable it is for me to use when I am urban sketching out and about. But as a kit, it seems to... Oh. Oh, is that what the Allen key is for? Ah! I just noticed looking down here, there's a hole for this. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Let's give those just a little tight on each side. If I'd read the instructions, let's try now. Problem solved. Read the instructions. I never read the instructions. Well, now that we've fixed that issue, I'm even more impressed. Very happy with that. And just look how easy it is to put onto a stand. Look at that. Off, stick it into the hole, stop it, and in you go. That's it. Really, really impressed. And the fact that it's actual wood, that is very impressive also. Really like that. So just a reminder, this was just an opening and first impressions of this kit from Fuumuui. The real review is going to be when I take it out and do some actual urban sketching with it. So please join me again for that video. But in the meantime, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe. I'd be really grateful because that will help push this video out to other people who enjoy this kind of content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!